I'm Jayden, and I'm with JSJ Incorporated. Now today I'm going to show you how to add things like this, and this, and this. So it's super simple. All you have to do is have an iPhone and have iMovie. So if you have an iPhone and you don't have iMovie, go and download that. I think it's like $5, but it's totally worth it. I use it in like all of my edits. I can do anything. If you guys want a green screen um, video, I can teach you how to do that, but that's besides the point. Okay, so this is super simple. Let's get down. Okay, so here we have the video. Hi, I'm Jayden, and I'm with JSJ Incorporated. Now today I'm going to show you how to add things like this. Okay, now it's very simple. All you have to do, here I'll delete this one so I can show you guys how I did it. So you tap the plus button on the left side. Well, I don't know how it is on yours. Then you tap photos. You have to have a photo, obviously, of whatever you want to do. This phone takes forever to load, so okay. Recently added, that's what I'm doing. That one. You tap it, then you tap picture in picture. And then you can just drag where you want it to go and tap that button so you can choose where you want it to go, like that. Okay. So I want mine to go right there, and I want it to appear. Let's see. Right there. So then I just drag it to there, and then things like this, and this. Okay, now we're gonna add the one where I said and like this. Okay, so this can go as long as you want it to go. Let me just choose where I want it to go. So it's super. Okay, that's actually exactly. Okay, then you tap done. You tap upload. You can only do one at a time, but if you save the video, you can do more than once. I'm just gonna do HD 720. So it shouldn't take too long. Exporting. Okay, so now I tap edit. I'm just gonna delete both of these. Okay, now I tap add. Videos. Recently added. Tap my video. Tap add. Then choose where I want the next one. Sorry, don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay, so I want the next one right then. So then I tap add. Go to photos. Sorry about the loading, taking forever again. Okay, recently added, I guess. Let's put this weird picture. Loading again. Okay, the dots, picture in picture. Boom. So now I just tap it, tap where I want it to go. I want it to go right there. Boom. Okay, so it's like this, and this, and this. Okay, so now I just have to do the last and this. And I also don't want this one to go that long because I want it to end when the other one does. So I want it to end right there. So I'm going to shorten it to right there. Okay. So then I tap done. Upload. Save video. HD 720. You don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want. You can do the 4K if you want to. I'm just randomly doing this. Okay. So now I'm going to edit, delete, add, video, do. recently added. Wait, yeah, recently added, add. Okay, now I'm going to find out where I want the next one. Right there. Okay, it froze again. So now I just am obviously going to wait because it's being very weird and glitching. If none of this is on camera, then I'll be very mad. Okay, this and this. So right there. It's being cranked, recently added. Hola. ... Picture in picture. Okay. So now that we have it here, we're going to tap that. Tap where we want it. Drag it down here. Boom.
Hi, I'm Jayden, and I'm
Okay.
with JSJ Incorporated.
Let's watch it.
Now today I'm going to show you how to add things like this, and this, and this. So it's super simple. All you have to do is have an iPhone and have Imovie.
Okay, so now I just want to shorten this one. Okay,
simple.
they have like a...
All you have to do
Oh, that's
is
perfect. Okay, so the video worked. So that's how you do it. Then you can just tap done. And then upload and save. Tap that little arrow button. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. Hope it helped you guys figure out how to do that. Okay, thanks for watching. JSJ Incorporated.